Hello everyone. Let's get ready with me. Do CTM properly. Prepare your skin with primer. Wait for 2-3 minutes. Apply color corrector on your dark circles and spots. Cover up acne and blemishes. Conceal under eye dark circles, blur, hyperpigmentation. Brighten up dull complexion. Blend it. Apply foundation in a stippling motion, which means gently tapping it into your skin. Avoid any wiping or rubbing motions because that will only push the foundation around and cause streaks. Blend it properly. Then set the foundation with loose powder. Bronzer. Applied to the cheekbones, the forehead, and across the nose. Create the appearance of tan skin. Blush. Applied to the cheekbones. Brush your brows. Use a fine nibbed pencil or brush. Don't stray too far from your natural shape. Apply lipstick. Draw the line with eyeshadow for liner effect. Mascara. Fixing spray for long-lasting makeup. And you're done. Thanks for watching.